So, you know how everyone's uncle, the one who used to fix your toys and tell you stories about the good old days? Well, suddenly last year he became a crypto expert. He's now giving out financial advice like candy on Halloween. Yeah, me too. I've got a few of those in my family. They're all talking about going to the moon, about Lamborghinis and early retirement, painting this picture of instant wealth. But most of them couldn't tell you the difference between a blockchain, the technology that underpins this whole revolution, and a bicycle chain. They're both chains, sure, but one powers a global financial system, and the other powers your commute. But today we're diving into one of the biggest names in the game. We're going beyond the hype and the headlines. Ethereum. You might think of Ethereum as Bitcoin's younger, more complicated sibling, always trying to one-up the older brother. But it's so much more than just digital cash. It's a platform, an ecosystem, a whole new way of building and interacting online. Think of it as a global supercomputer, a decentralized network of computers all working together, powering everything from decentralized apps or dApps that aim to replace traditional services, to those wild NFT apes. Yes, Ethereum is the backbone of the NFT craze. I've got 5 fun facts about Ethereum, 5 things that might surprise you, that go way beyond price charts, beyond the daily fluctuations and the market speculation and jargon. We're going to break it down in a way that's easy to understand even if you're not a tech wizard. Stick around. These might just change how you see that little diamond-shaped logo and maybe even the future of the internet. Let's start with a near miss in branding history. Ethereum was almost called Ethereum, with an I. Imagine trying to hype up Ethereum. Sounds more like a headache remedy than a tech revolution. Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum's founder, picked the name from a list of sci-fi terms because it felt futuristic and limitless. That one letter made all the difference. Ethereum sounds powerful and mysterious. Ethereum just doesn't. Even in early white papers, you'll spot the old spelling. It's a reminder that even world-changing tech starts as a rough draft. Double-check your spelling, especially if you're naming a multi-billion-dollar blockchain. Let's talk about a true visionary, a game-changer in the world of technology. Meet Vitalik Buterin, the brilliant mind behind Ethereum. A name synonymous with innovation and the future of decentralized technology. He single-handedly wrote the Ethereum white paper, a document that would revolutionize the blockchain landscape. And the truly remarkable part? He was just 19 years old at the time, a teenager with the vision to reshape the digital world. While most of us were busy figuring out the mysteries of laundry, separating whites from colors, or agonizing over choosing the right college majors, pondering our future career paths, Vitalik was already reimagining the very fabric of the internet, questioning its limitations and dreaming of a better, more decentralized future. He saw Bitcoin's limits, recognizing its potential but also its constraints, and from that understanding, he dreamed up a blockchain that could do anything, a platform for innovation without boundaries. He ultimately made the bold decision to drop out of college, after winning a prestigious $100,000 Thiel Fellowship, a testament to his groundbreaking ideas and potential. This allowed him to dedicate himself fully to build Ethereum full-time, pouring all his energy into bringing his vision to life. It's undeniable proof that innovation doesn't care about age. Brilliance can emerge at any stage of life. Sometimes, a fresh perspective, unburdened by conventional wisdom, changes everything, leading to truly revolutionary breakthroughs. Ethereum wasn't born in a sterile corporate lab, fueled by endless budgets and committees. It was a teenager's audacious vision for a new digital world, a world built on decentralization and limitless possibilities. So the next time you find yourself feeling unproductive, caught in a moment of procrastination, remember? At the tender age of 19, Vitalik was already in the process of inventing Ethereum, laying the foundation for a technological revolution. No pressure. Ethereum runs on its own programming language, Solidity. It's what lets developers write smart contracts, self-executing code that powers everything from DeFi to NFTs. Solidity is powerful, but it's also tricky. Once a contract is live, you can't edit it. One bug, and millions could be lost forever. It looks a bit like JavaScript, but don't be fooled. Its quirks and security risks are unique to blockchain. Building on Ethereum isn't just coding, it's like designing Fort Knox's security system. Solidity is the engine of Ethereum, but only the best mechanics dare touch it. What was the first thing ever bought with Ether? Not a car, not a house, a t-shirt. 2 developers made the first real-world ETH transaction for a simple 2-tone shirt. It's hilariously mundane considering Ethereum now powers billion-dollar markets, but it's a perfect reminder. New tech often starts with small, everyday moments. The first Bitcoin purchase was pizza, Ethereum's was a t-shirt. Sometimes fashion beats finance to the punch. Who knew a t-shirt could make crypto history? Back in 2016, the world of Ethereum was on the cusp of a major turning point. The blockchain was still relatively new, but it was already making waves with its innovative smart contract functionality and its potential to revolutionize various industries. However, Ethereum faced a crisis, a challenge that would test the very foundations of its community and its core principles. This wasn't just a minor setback, it was a full-blown emergency that threatened to derail the entire project. A hacker exploited a vulnerability in the DAO, a major decentralized autonomous organization built on Ethereum, and drained millions of dollars worth of Ether. This was a devastating blow, shaking confidence in the platform and raising serious questions about the security of smart contracts. The community split, divided by fundamental disagreements on how to respond to the hack. Passions ran high, and the debate became increasingly heated as different factions emerged with their own proposed solutions. The central question was, should they reverse the hack, effectively rewriting the blockchain's history, or stick to the principle of code is law, accepting the consequences of the vulnerability? It was a philosophical and practical dilemma with no easy answers. Ultimately, most of the community chose to rewrite history, implementing a hard fork to recover the stolen funds. This decision was not without controversy, as it challenged the immutability of the blockchain, a core tenet of cryptocurrency. This hard fork resulted in the creation of a new chain, Ethereum, which is the version most people use today. This new chain essentially erased the hack from its history. However, a smaller but vocal group refused to accept the hard fork. They believed in the original principles of blockchain immutability and the sanctity of code. They continued to support the original blockchain, now called Ethereum Classic, arguing that it represented the true vision of a decentralized, immutable ledger. Today, as a result of this pivotal event, we have two Ethereums, each with its own distinct community, development roadmap, and market value. One is mainstream, widely adopted and supported, while the other remains a purist alternative, adhering to the original, unaltered blockchain. It's like a band splitting up over creative differences, with both sides continuing to perform and record music, but under different banners, and both sides keeping the name. This hard fork serves as a fascinating case study in decentralized drama, highlighting the complexities of governance and the difficult decisions that arise when core principles clash with practical realities. It involved millions of dollars, deeply held financial principles, and the very definition of what a blockchain should be. The result is a blockchain sibling rivalry for the ages, a continuing saga of two distinct paths diverging from a single origin. The lesson? Even the most meticulously crafted code can't escape the messy, unpredictable nature of human debates and the enduring power of differing ideologies. There you have it. 5 facts that prove Ethereum is more than just a price chart. From its almost name to its teenage founder and dramatic split, Ethereum's story is full of surprises. Which fact was your favorite? Drop your crypto stories in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more fun tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Remember to stay curious and keep an open mind. Until next time, I'm M4SS1V. Stay crypto curious.